Good morning. Today we are going to talk about this worksheet right here called What's My Sound? I'm going to write my name. You can push pause and find this worksheet if you need to. It's called What's My Sound? You can see that there are a bunch of pictures here. I would like for you to grab a pencil or a crayon or something that you can color with. I'm going to use a highlighter. Sometimes we use a highlighter in class just for fun, so I'm going to use that today. What we have to do on this worksheet is we see the picture, cat, and we think about the sound at the beginning. What's the first sound you hear in the word cat? K, 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 cat. So which letter begins with cat? Is it C, is it M, or is it U? K, k, k. It is C. Remember? K, k, k. Cat, cut, cactus. The next one is an ant. Ant. What's the beginning sound in the word ant? Think about the first sound. Ant. Ah, ah, ah. That will be the letter A. You're coloring in the box, staying in the lines as much as you can. Underneath the ant is a ball. A ball. Fun. Okay. Ball. What's the beginning sound in ball? You sound it out. Ball. B. What letter is that? B. B. Now don't get confused because there's a D and a B together. The B is on the bottom. The B is on the bottom. We're going to learn more about how, some of you might already know how to figure out which one's a B and which one's a D, but we're going to learn more about that soon. Okay, and then the bottom one is a monkey. What's the beginning sound in monkey? That's the letter M. All right, over here we have a hat. Hat. The first letter in hat is H. Next is flower. Oh, that's pretty, flower. Do you know what letter that would be? Look over here. Is it F? Is it C? Or is it D? Flower, the F on the top. Next is a bag. 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 What would that one be? Bag. Do you see over here? Ball. It's the same. Ball, bag. So we're going to do this one right here. And the last one is a rabbit. Rabbit. Can you see which letter that one starts with? This one is an R, rabbit. After you finish all of your letters, if you want to color the pictures, you can. Make sure your name's at the top of the paper. I'll talk to you soon.